Hey, what is up, you guys? It's your girl Keke, and I'm blackity back on another YouTube video. Okay, so I can't do too much because this video was all over the place, and I'm doing the voiceover because I want to help explain exactly what I was doing. So just jumping right into it right now, I'm putting on my primer. Y'all, please excuse me. I was totally out of frame most of this video, but I promise you I will get better at my angling so that you guys could see. I honestly don't know what happened, but just bear with me because I did a lot of editing to try to keep some parts in that you guys will be able to see. That's hopefully helpful. So we put on all of the primer, and what you're going to see me do is actually go into the acrylic application. And so what I first do is the first bead that I place on my nail goes right in the area where you glue your tips on. And then I'm just going to brush that down. Sorry you guys can't see, but yeah, I'm going to brush that down, and I'm also brushing in the sides and pulling that down so that none of the acrylic is overflowing into any skin or into any cuticle areas or anything like that, because we don't want to have any lifting. We want to do everything we can to prevent the lifting. And then so the second bead here, I'm just placing that closer towards the cuticle area. I believe I'm going to put one more bead back there. And then I'm going to go in and place a bead at the tip of the nail and brush it back to make sure that everything is even and everything flows well. Right here. Yeah, so we're just going to brush that back, making sure that we clean up around the sides so we don't lose our shape too much, because you already know when you put the acrylic on, you tend to lose your shape when you go in after you're all done to foul and all that good stuff. See how cute that is? But yeah, so we're just gonna make sure that this nail is even. Make sure that you have a nice apex going. In some angles you can see the apex on my nail. This is so hard to explain, you guys, because I can barely see myself. But I was like, you know what? You live and you learn. I am going to edit this video and I'm going to post it, and next time I watch it I will know what not to do. So about the beads too, you guys, I'm using my Mia's Secret acrylic brush, and it's a size 8. I've been getting a lot of people telling me that I should go up a size, get a bigger brush. This brush does actually work for me right now, although I am considering getting a bigger one. So I'm thinking that's why I have to pick up so many beads, but at the same time, I feel like it's just me as well, because I want my nail to be as perfect as I can get it. So I know they have like the 1-ball method and the 2-ball method and, you know, all these other methods, but really you want to make sure that your nail is nice and strong and appealing, so nice and smooth and shaped the way you want it to look. And so mind you, if you have to go in with 6, 7, 9 beads of acrylic to get your nail to look how you want it to look, then definitely do so. I would just say go in with a smaller bead like you see me do here. That way when it comes to the end and you're getting ready to file your nail, to make sure everything is even and smooth and no lumps and bumps and things like that, you don't have so much acrylic to take off of your nail, because then you're either going to be sitting there filing with a hand file for hours, or even with a drill, you know, for a very long time. So just keep that in mind. And so I'm also using the Mia's Secret clear acrylic powder for this set. And then the nail tips that I'm using, they were just kind of bought off of either Wish or eBay. I'm not really sure, because I got those tips from my mom, but they were pre-shaped, into the stiletto shape, so that actually saved me some time. I just had to, you know, get it even with my nail so it fits my nail the right way. You guys, I hope you understand what I'm saying, because the video is all over the place, so the voiceover is kind of all over the place too, but please bear with me because the final result is just worth it. That's why I try to make sure this video was not that long, because it literally took me all day to do these nails, because I had to stop and come back and run errands and come back, and it's just a whole bunch on top of me not really being in the frame. So you guys, I also kept a lot of these parts in where you see me wiping off my brush and dipping it into the acrylic, so that once again you guys can see that I'm picking up as many beads as I need to fulfill the strength and, you know, the desired look that I'm going for. And then making sure that we wipe off our brush a lot so that the acrylic doesn't build up in our brush, and then, you know, you really start having lumps and bumps and it makes it hard to apply the acrylic to your nail. So I kept a lot of those pieces in there so that you guys can see, like, oh yeah, I don't have to feel so bad. She picked up like 7 beads for that one nail. But it does get better with time though. Sometimes I don't have to pick up that many. It just depends on the day, I guess. So we'll see. Also, you guys, leave me any tips in the comment section down below. Any designs that you would like to see coming up, leave them in the comments down below. Let me know how y'all day going. Like, what's going on? Talk to me in the comment section. My day is actually going pretty good. It's really early in the morning right now, so pretty good. So this is another part where I was off the frame, but you guys can see that I'm really brushing that acrylic into my nail, making sure that it's really, really smooth. So make sure that you also do that as well. Okay, and then so moving over, I'm just showing you guys that I went ahead and shaped, buffed, and fouled off camera. I was actually running errands while I was doing that part, so I didn't film it, on top of the fact that I didn't want this video to be extremely long, because like I said, this took me from morning to night to do these nails just because I was doing a whole bunch of stuff. But here's the fun part. So we're going straight into the design. I think I'm just going to let you guys enjoy this part right here with some little music in the background because it's pretty self-explanatory. I'm hoping you guys can see well. And yeah, leave me comments down below. Let me know how you felt about this design. Did I do good compared to what I was going for with the picture? You know, I tried this blue diamond. I forgot the name of it, but I'm gonna leave the link in the description down below to the video. And then that link also is not actually the original video, but I can't find the original video because it's when I was like 16, that video was already out. And you know, I'm 25 now, so imagine. Yeah, but they have another video showing you guys how to do this design. I just chose to do it on stiletto tips because I wanted more of a modern look, and I just love stiletto tips, and I wanted to try out those tips. So enough of the rambling because the video is almost over, you guys. I'm just gonna let you sit back and enjoy the design that I have here for you guys. Let me know what you think down in the comments below, and thank you so much for watching. Make sure you follow me on my social media, Snapchat, Facebook, Instagram, all that good stuff. And yeah, I will see you guys next Thursday for another video. Bye. Like where you at. I like everything about you. Everything about you.
about it. Everything about it. Everything about it. Everything about it.